Hello, welcome to Skill English again. Today we are going to learn 7 words with prefix over. So, what are the words which I have chosen? The words are cast, come, dose, draft, flow, hear, and react. So with these words, I am going to form new words with prefix over. These words will be very useful for your communication. So let's jump in and see what these new words will mean when we prefix over with these words. So number 1. Overcast. Overcast. What do you mean by overcast? Overcast means cloudy. The sky is overcast. That means I am trying to say the sky is cloudy. The match may be postponed because the sky is overcast. So the word is cast and I have prefixed the word over. So overcast means cloudy. Let's see the second word. I have chosen the word come and I am prefixing over. So overcome. So what do you mean by overcome? Overcome can have two meanings. It can mean defeat, it can also mean win. So she has overcome all her problems. That means she has been able to defeat her problems, or she is now in a win-win situation. She is a win situation now. So she has been able to defeat her problem. So overcome means to defeat or win. Next word is dose, and I have prefixed over. So the word becomes overdose. What do you mean by overdose? Overdose means more than the recommended dose of medicine. He took an overdose of medicine and fell sick. That means the doctor may have prescribed 2 medicines a day and he has taken 5 medicines in a day. That means he has taken overdose. That means he has taken more than the recommended dose of medicine, and that's why he fell sick. So overdose means more than the recommended dose of medicine. Next, draft is the word draft and I'm prefixing over. So the new word becomes overdraft. So what's an overdraft? Overdraft is a word which is related to bank. So there is an arrangement with the bank of a customer where the customer is allowed to withdraw more money than his account holds. Suppose a customer has in his account he has say 5 lakh and he has been allowed to withdraw like more than that 50,000. So 50,000 is an overdraft facility. So overdraft means withdraw more money from your account if there is an arrangement with the bank. So overdraft means withdraw more money than the account holds. Next word is flow, and I am prefixing over. So the new word becomes overflow. Overflow means excess or surplus. So I can say don't put more water into it, it will overflow. Or I can say the tank will overflow with water if you don't close the the tap. So overflow means surplus or excess. The next word is here, and I'm prefixing over. So the new word becomes over here. So what do you mean by over here? Over here means to hear something accidentally. That means you did not hear it intentionally. It was accidentally you hear it. So I can say I overheard someone saying that tomorrow there may be a problem in the college. So it was not my intention to hear what he was saying, but I heard it accidentally. So I can say I overheard something from the teacher discussing in the classroom that tomorrow there may be a problem in the college. So overhear means to hear something accidentally, okay, not intentionally. The next word, overreact. The word is react and I am prefixing over. So the word becomes overreact. Overreact means to react more strongly than justified. Suppose there were three friends discussing something and one of them, okay, just in a sense of humor has said, "You don't look beautiful in this dress." And to whom it was said, she reacted strongly. Then what was justified? So reacting something strongly or more than justified means overreact. So remember, in life, don't overreact. If you overreact, you may be in a danger zone and people may not like you. Never try to overreact. So today's session was words with prefix over. So before I end, I just want to summarize what are the words which I have formed with prefix over. The first one was overcast. Overcast means cloudy. Next one was overcome. Overcome means to defeat or win. The third one was overdose. Overdose means more than the recommended dose of medicine. Next was overdraft. Overdraft means an arrangement with the bank to withdraw more money than you have in your account. Overflow means to excess or surplus with something flowing out of something. Next is overhear. Overhear means to hear something accidentally, not intentionally. The last one was overreact, means to react more strongly than justified. So I hope today's session you have enjoyed the words with prefix over. So those who are new to my channel, I hope you have enjoyed this session. And before you leave, don't forget to put your likes, share and subscribe to my channel so that you get all the notification when I upload. So don't forget to click the notification bell also. And to all my old subscribers and those who are watching me now, I am very grateful that you have helped me grow my channel Skill English. It was all your support. Skill English is all about you, so that you develop English and boost your communication skill. So until next session from here, from Skill English, goodbye and have a nice time. Thank you.